Welcome back, everybody. And today we are going to solve the lowest common ancestor of a binary search tree. So it's again a very good question based on tree. We are given a root node and two other nodes, and we need to find the lowest possible ancestor of both of these nodes. Like let's see at this test case, the two nodes given are 2 and 8, and the ancestor of these two nodes is 6. So we return 6. What the lowest means is we need to find the nearest possible ancestor. And in this question, the two nodes are given as 2 and 4. And we can see that 2 is basically the parent node of 4. So it's actually the common ancestor between the two nodes. So we can just return 2. These two test cases are enough for us to solve this question. So since it's a binary search tree, we can just use that property of binary search tree to traverse the tree. While let's traverse it, root not equals to null. First, we can check if root.val is greater than p.val and root.val is greater than q.val. That means our root is greater than both the nodes. That means both the nodes are in the left subtree of the current node. So we can just traverse to the left side. Else if root.val is less than p.val and root.val is less than q.val, that means we need to traverse to the right side. Both the nodes are greater than our current node. So we can travel to the right side of our subtree. Else, if one node is greater, like one node is on the left, that is it's smaller, and another node is greater, that means it's on the right. That means the current node is is the ancestor of both those nodes. So we can just return root. And if we can't find the nodes, let's say it's null, we can just return root at the last. Let's run this. You can also solve this using recursion, but this is the most efficient since you can just solve it in one pass. Thank you.